Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Instrumentation Academy. In this video, we will discuss what is mass flow meter and volumetric flow meter. First, let's discuss what is a flow meter. Flow meter is a device that measures the flow of liquid or gas flowing through it. Flow meters are used in a variety of industries to measure the flow rate of a fluid as it passes through a pipe. These fluids could be water, oil, natural gas, steam, or anything else. While all flow meters share a common function of measuring flow rate, they are a bit different in the way they operate. According to Newton's second law of motion, any mass needs force to move. In case of fluids in a pipe, the force that is applied to move the liquid is pressure. The density of the liquid determines the amount of pressure necessary to move the liquid. The amount of liquid that passes through an area in a given time is called the flow rate. Flow meter is used to measure this flow rate. There are mainly two types of flow meters which are widely used in industries. They are mass flow meter and volumetric flow meter. From the name itself, we can understand that mass flow meter measures mass flow rate and volumetric flow meter measures volumetric flow rate. To understand what is mass flow rate and volumetric flow rate, we must first discuss what is mass and volume. Mass is the amount of molecules or matter in an object. Many of you may think that mass and weight are the same. The difference between mass and weight is that mass is the amount of matter in an object, while weight is a measure of how the force of gravity acts upon that mass. The mass of an object will remain the same anywhere in the universe unless some material is removed, while weight of an object will change throughout the universe since the force of gravity changes. Weight and mass are related using the equation weight is equal to mass multiplied by the gravitational force. Now we have discussed about mass. In a sense, mass flow rate is the measure of the amount of mass moving through an instrument per unit time. Volume is the amount of space the molecules in an object occupy. Volumetric flow rate, also called the actual flow rate, is a measure of volume of fluid that flows through the instrument per unit time. Mass flow rate and volumetric flow rate are related by the equation mass flow rate is equal to volumetric flow rate multiplied by fluid density. Consider a cylinder of 1 liter which is closed using a movable piston, and this cylinder contains 1 liter of air. When we move the piston halfway to the bottom of the cylinder, then the volume of the air becomes half liter and the pressure is doubled. This happens because gases are compressible and their molecules are pressed closer to each other. From this example, we can understand that when pressure is increased, the volume will decrease, and also when the temperature of the cylinder is raised, the space occupied by the molecules will also increase. Hence, volumetric flow rate can significantly change depending on pressure or temperature changes. As nothing has been added or left out from the cylinder, the number of molecules in the cylinder remains the same, and hence the mass remains unchanged. From this we can understand that mass is not affected by changing temperature and pressure. This alone makes mass flow meter an important instrument in fluid flow measurement. Examples of mass flow meters are Coriolis flow meter, thermal mass flow meters, ultrasonic meters, etc. Examples of volumetric flow meters are positive displacement meter, turbine flow meter, magnetic flow meter, etc. We have already discussed the working and operating principle of a magnetic flow meter in one of our previous videos. Link of that video is there in the description. By this we come to the end of this video. If you like the video, please support us by subscribing our channel. Thank you.